Central India's tribal drylands are among the harshest terrains in India. Tribal communities here face a daily struggle with their livelihood, dignity, and survival threatened by multiple concerns. There are more than 104 million Adivasis in India. In 2013, a Ministry of Tribal Affairs statistical profile found nearly 1 out of 2 Adivasis live below the poverty line. While the government allocates massive resources to enable livelihood security in this region, reaching beneficiaries in remote areas remains a complex challenge, leaving a vast trail of poverty and deprivation.
There is a great sense of alienation now among the tribal people of this country. So it was felt that a very special initiative would have to be undertaken in order to address very genuine grievances of the tribal people. So you need a different architecture, if you like, of development itself in the regions which we are talking about, which are feeling this sense of alienation.
Bharat Rural Livelihoods Foundation is an autonomous body set up by the Government of India to upscale civil society action in partnership with the government. The idea is to transform the lives of the poor, especially the tribals in the central Indian tribal belt. The key thematic interventions which are supported by the BRLF are capacity building of local communities, rejuvenation of natural resources, sustainable agriculture practices, livestock development, and facilitating access to rights and entitlements through the Panchayati Raj mechanism.
We've been witness to as well as participated in meetings where there are both people from the government, people from civil society, and there's a very, very healthy exchange of ideas, eventually leading to more effective features in policy. So it could either accelerate the implementation or it could improve impact. And these are typically, in a sense, facilitated by BRLF.
India's growth process is critically linked to water security. This is one of the key issues that BRLF addresses by effectively leveraging government funds to rejuvenate natural resources while providing local communities a crucial base for livelihood generation.
So Ushar Mukti is like a watershed development type of program which will be totally implemented through NREGA alone. This way, BRLF, Government of West Bengal in its MG NREGA, and 7 civil society organizations like Pradhan, Local Land Parishad, and different other organizations. So if we work together in a period of time, we'll be seeing that these springs are rejuvenated.
তাহলে এই জলে ওই ধানগুলো হবে, হাপাতে মধ্যে মাছ চাষ করা যাবে, চারদিকে সবুজে দেখাবে।
There has been a huge expansion of our footprint in terms of these partnerships. Beginning with the Ushar Mukti program in West Bengal, we were then approached by the state government of Chhattisgarh for a similar program in the state. And we are now working in Chhattisgarh across 26 blocks in 13 districts.
Chhattisgarh is where we formally participated with BRLF. Here you have an organization which has a strong capability of implementation, strong track record of working with various governments. So it's a win-win for all.
The project envisages treatment of around 6.9 lakh hectare of areas based on watershed principle. And within this treatment, we are supposed to, increase the crop intensity of around 50% area, around 3.5 lakh. The second part is the livelihood part. It also envisages improving economically around 1 lakh families.
BRLF assures strong governance structures. Not 1 rupee of the money is being spent for wrong reasons, because generally funders have this worry that is my money getting deployed properly? And here is an assurance that the money is getting deployed properly.
In Odisha, the Agriculture Production Cluster project is being implemented in partnership with the state government and 17 civil society organizations.
कोरापुट गोटे आमर आदिवासी अध्युषित अंचल जोटा कि आमर एपीसी थ्रू रे आम कौन करूँ ना 8टा ब्लॉक रे आम एपीसी थ्रू रे काम करूँ जोटा कि आपणकर गोटे कन्भर्जेन्सी मॉडल बा विभिन्न प्रकार डिपार्टमेंट सहित एनजीओ मैंने काम करुँच जोटा कि बीआरएलएफ फंडिंग करवारनेस अन्य फैसिलिटेशन पूर्व जो था गोटे सिस्टमेटिक वे काम कर फॉर एग्जांपल मुझे कहबी जब लिफ्ट इरिगेशन गोटे वाटर सोर्स तैयारी करूला ताकू फॉलोअप करिया कथा वेजिटेबल कल्टिवेशन रे ओडिशा लिफ्ट इरिगेशन काम करूला हॉर्टिकल्चर काम करूला सॉइल कंजर्वेशन काम करूला किंतु विभिन्न जगह अलग प्रकार भाव काम करते किंतु जेतेबेले एबे एपीसी आरंभ है से कौन है ना सबू डिपार्टमेंट गोटे जगार कन्भर्जेन्स होगी काम कले
आगे आम जिते चाष करूँ जार सी बिहन किणिक आणुलु जोड़ा कि समस्त असुविधा होता चाष करवारे एबे आम पीजी कलापर आम समस्ते ग्रुप रे कथा होकरी डिसाइड करूँ कौ दिन बिहन आणवा क्यों प्रकार बिहन आणवा को मासरे लगेवा सब आम ग्रुप रे कथा होकरी पीजी मीटिंग रे कथा होकरी डिसाइड नौचु आ सेम बिहन सेम टाइम रे आम आनिक समस्ते लगे पारचु 2 वर्ष आगे तो आमर वर्ष को 50,000 भी इनकम हो नथिला पीजी जो वर्ष आरंभ है 75, 80, 90,000 लक्ष पर्यंत हो पारछि चाष इनकम टा
The way BRLF is structured, whether it's in terms of its governing body, whether in terms of its professional staff, and in fact its major mandate, it is about strengthening civil society partnerships, and therefore it makes itself accountable to civil society as well.
प्रधान माध्यम नहीं कि गाड़ी बुले कि मार्केट केमी गाड़ी गाड़ी ट्रक ट्रक जिनस मार्केट बड़ बड़ मार्केट केमी बिक्री हो देखावा द्वारा से सहित लिंकेज करके आम डेली 4 टन 5 टन माल हेले भी आमको बिक्री कर किसी प्रोब्लेम होनी प्रथम तो गोटे पैकेट 10 सेंट करने को डरुले बर्तमान 1 ରୁ 2 एकर चाष कर मिनिमम मोर भी हिसाब से गोटे चाषी एकर चाष कर लक्ष रु एभव रोजगार कर बर्तमान बढ़ाई चाहते से
A farmer-producer organization in Jharsuguda is successfully exporting watermelons to Dubai. Apart from core livelihood activities, nearly 6 lakh households have been linked with several other government schemes and programs through BRLF-supported projects. Under the Sustainable Livelihoods Program, non-pesticide management agriculture is a crucial focus. The ecological approach rejuvenates soil health and water resources, providing safer food for consumers. The NPM farming movement is gaining strength across the region, bringing agency and collective strength to farmers.
तास 3 বছর এমপির সঙ্গে মিশে যোগ দিয়ে আজকের ভেবেছি যে আমরা দেশের বিষ মুক্ত খাবার খেতে গেলে আমাদের সঙ্গে যোগ দিতে হবে
এটা আমার জৈবিক পদ্ধতি রে এটা আমার স্বাদযুক্ত আউ रोगमुक्त आम खाद्य पर से पाई पारुछूँ।
हम बाजार का खाद और दवाइयाँ हम अपने खेत में नहीं डालते हैं, हम जैविक खाद डालते हैं।
112 farmer-producer organizations have been promoted with the membership of nearly 40,000 households.
It's not just agriculture, it's agro-processing, it's value addition, it's creating new niche markets where there is also the creation of a market in terms of urban consumers. So we are doing it from end to end so that the farmers can become part of the value that this food chain creates, which has not been the case in the past.
Communities, especially those living around highly unproductive land, are supported to rear livestock and poultry. Apart from supporting the livelihoods of the landless and marginalized families, these interventions help provide critical nutrition. Women are at the center of this change. Through BRLF support, Nearly 39,000 women's self-help groups have been formed. With the collective leadership, wisdom and resilience of rural women, these self-help groups have saved over 41 crore Indian rupees through their work and leveraged more from banks. The growing leadership of women through self-help groups in these states has shifted the role of women in rural societies, empowering them with financial strength and independent decision-making.
While lakhs and crores of rupees are being spent annually by government on rural development schemes, quality outcomes are just not happening on the ground. And the reason for this is a huge gap in terms of capacity at the grassroots. So that is how we thought of this idea of organizing the certificate program on rural livelihoods, which is a 6-month program which takes tribal boys and girls from our Central Indian Tribal Belt states through a multi-topic, multi-location course. And here the emphasis is on learning by doing. So it's not just classroom sessions. They spend time in the fields of some of the best practitioners in different themes such as watershed development, SHGs, agriculture, off-farm livelihoods and so on, and learn exactly how to plan and implement these interventions so that they can go back to their villages and work as part of some of our NGO partners teams, all with the respective Gram Panchayats.
24-year-old Dambrudar of the Dal tribe lives in Bolangir, Odisha. Migration for livelihood is the only option for most young men here. Dambrudar chose to stay.
CPRL कोर्स में जो दे रहा है वो गांव के विकास, गांव के लोग को डेवलप करने के लिए, देश के लिए, हमारा समाज के लिए, अपना खुद के लिए वो बहुत मार्गदर्शक है.
Neeramati is 22. Most girls of her age of the Kandha community in Odisha are married with at least one child. Neeramati decided to be the change.
हम गांव की जो आजीविका है इसके बारे में सीखने के लिए इधर गए थे. बहुत सारे सीखने के लिए मिला. इधर आने के बाद हम काम करेंगे बोलते.
Through the CPRL, more than 100 tribal boys and girls are now qualified rural professionals working in 7 states.
So we set up a model of development which, after your initial support, is going to sustain itself on its own momentum. This is the poorest people of the country showing the way forward for the rest of India.
Today, BRLF provides a critical platform of thought and expertise through its network of partner organizations across 8 states in India. Working in some of the most difficult areas in India, trust and confidence in collaborations becomes key. BRLF ensures this through a stringent and transparent selection process.
So if you study our projects, look at the water table, look at farmers' incomes, look at sustainable agriculture, look at the farm enterprises that have come up, and look at the empowered communities. All of these give people the proof of concept. It's the people who will tell you the successes that BRLF has achieved, and that for us is the greatest tribute that we can get.
The mission is to remove alienation, restore dignity, build agency in the lives of India's Adivasis, and to rejuvenate the rural ecosystem of central India from a harsh land of deprivation into a land of growth and opportunity.